I wanted to talk today about the reason why most people are not happy and what can be done about it. And before we start, I wanted to thank you guys for checking out this video. If you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I wanted to talk about the reason why most people are not happy and what can be done about it. And I see a lot of people who are just getting by, who are not living according to their purpose and their gifts. And that's a shame because we're not here to just get by, but I believe that we are here to live an abundant life and to just enjoy and do all the things that we want to do all the things that we have envisioned inside of our minds. And it's very important that we go towards our purpose, find our gifts, and use those gifts to be able to make a difference, and use those gifts to be able to offer service to people. And I believe that's the number one reason why a lot of people are not happy, is because they're not living according to their purpose. They're not using their gifts. And a lot of people, for example, they will work a job, but then they hate the job. And that's not healthy, because if you're doing something that you don't want to do and you're just doing it for the sake of just making money, you're doing it for the sake of just being able to pay your bills and just to get by, then that behavior gets old. It gets old because you just, doing this job 5 days a week, whatever days a week, you're paying your bills, and you're basically in a state of scarcity. You are in a state of just getting by and just being in a mode of scarcity. Whereas when you are a person who are going after your purpose, you are going after your gifts, that's when you can live an abundant lifestyle. And it's okay working a job, but it's not okay working a job if it's something that you don't want to do. And I see this. I see when I talk to people and they say, yeah, I gotta work this weekend. I don't want to go, or I gotta work this job. I'm tired of these customers, or I'm tired of these people. And I'm wondering, why do you do this? Why do you, do this if it's something that you don't want to do? Or if you're doing this, you're using the proceeds, you're using your pay in order to build your business. You're using those funds to be able to build towards your purpose. That's a different thing. But when you are a person who is just doing something, working a job, and you're just, investing in paying your bills and just getting by, and you're not doing anything outside of that, then that's when, I think it weighs on an individual. It weighs on you because you're doing this, but you don't have anything else going. You don't have anything else going as far as working towards your purpose or have an avenue to use your gifts. Because I love the Bible quote, your gift will make room for you. And that's a powerful quote because it lets us know when we operate inside of our gifts, that there's things happen. Things come to us. We don't even try, but things come to us. Resources come to us. Opportunities come to us. But when we are operating in something that's not for us, that we are not in alignment with our purpose, in alignment with our gifts, that's when it can be mentally draining towards us, to where we're just tired, we're drained, and we don't feel excited about life. But then when we operate in our gifts, we operate in our talents, we operate in the thing that we were made to do, that's when we feel excitement. That's when we feel childlike. So the key, as far as being able to be happy and to take control of your life, is to get in alignment with your purpose. Get in alignment with your gifts, because a lot of people are out of alignment, as far as they are out of alignment and they're just doing something that's not for them. They're just doing something just to pay the bills. So think about how you can get in alignment with your gifts. Think about how you can get alignment with your purpose. Experiment with things. Sit still, meditate, pray about it. Think about it. Get some me time where you can sit by yourself. Write down things that you enjoy. Write down things that you like doing. Write down things that you love to do, that you would do even if you did not get paid for it. Think about those things and then experiment. Go out, take action. Even if you are working, or even if you're not working a standard 9 to 5, you need to go out and just use that purpose, use that gifts, and use your mind to think about ways that you can be able to use that gift to be able to help others and to expand it, to bless others, to make a difference. And then you will be surprised and amazed how things come to you, how resources come to you, how people come to you as far as wanting your gift or needing your gift to be able to bless them and bless their lives. So it's all about getting in alignment with your purpose, getting in alignment with your gift. And when we do that, we notice a huge change. You feel more excited. You feel like you have an extra pep in your step because you are operating in your gifts. And be more childlike as well. That's another thing I wanted to add, is be more childlike, because a lot of people stop being childlike. And I believe that's the reason why in the Bible it states to be childlike, because when we get older and when we become adults, it's like we just stop. We stop thinking, we stop using our God-given creative talent or creative mindset. We stop having those imaginations, thinking about this, thinking about I can do this, thinking about I can do that. When we were younger, we thought about, hey, I can be a doctor, I can be an astronaut, I can do this. But then as we get older, it slows down. We start to just think about business. We think about meaning, think about working. We think about, paying the bills. We think about this chore, this duty, and then we stop being childlike. So start being childlike again. You start thinking about, start thinking with a creative mind. Things you can create, things you can do, things that you can do to make life fun, and things you can do to use your gifts and purpose to make a difference. And when you do that, like I stated earlier, you're going to have an extra pep in your step. You're going to be more excited because you are operating at a high level. And instead of having a scarcity mindset, you're being childlike. You're having all these thoughts, all these visions, and you bringing those into fruition, and you are having more of an abundance mindset. So get in alignment with your purpose, get in alignment with your gift, and notice the change, and you will be blessed. So I just wanted to share that. I hope this really blesses you guys. Let me know what you're thinking in the chat, and I appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I hope this really helps you guys out, and we will talk soon. Peace.